how to cancel your Lebara mobile account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply log into your Lebara account from the application. Then from here, tap on the more option right here. Then from there, what we're going to do is tap on profile, then get to the payment details. So once you get to the payment details, simply tap on the auto renew and make sure that it is turned off. So after doing that, you can simply navigate to switching section in order to request a PAC code in order to move your number, or if you just do not want your number, then you can leave it as it is. So if not porting, like I said, you can simply remove your payment card and then let your SIM expire, and that is all you need to do in order to cancel your Lebara mobile account permanently. So if you are switching your mobile, then you can provide that PAC or PAC code to your new carrier service provider and they will be able to activate your number, and that is it. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.